y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different subscription box unboxings along with some hauls and product reviews. So if you enjoy subscription boxes, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of our YouTube family. We'd love to have you. Guys, don't forget we do have a giveaway going on and it will be linked down below. It ends on Thanksgiving at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We also have a second giveaway that is going to end on the 10th of December that is hosted by Glamour Jewelry Box that will also be linked in the description box down below. So today's video, y'all, I could not be more excited. So as you saw in the thumbnail, that's right, Bath & Body Works finally has an advent calendar. I am like in heaven. I love advent calendars and I love Bath & Body Works, so when I saw that they had one, I had to pick it up. So we're going to get into this in just a moment. I do have a little bit of a haul because they have really been killing the candle game lately with prices and sales. So I picked some stuff up. I do have 3 items that didn't make it to the video because they just didn't. So I will go over those kind of, well, as we go through it, because some of them match. They were duplicates, so that's why they didn't make it. So the first thing, and this is one of the items that didn't make it to the video, this is the Merry Cookie candle. Y'all, this smells phenomenal. I had another one of these, so this first one has already been lit. It didn't make it to it's burning in my living room as we speak. This just, I seriously, if there was ever a time I wish we had smell-o-vision, it is now, y'all, because this smells so good. It just embodies everything sugar cookie and Christmassy and just amazingness into one candle, and I love it. So I got 2 of those. And then the other 3-wick candle I only got 1. This is blueberry sugar. And this just smells like blueberries and icicles and winter dreamness. If that's even, I don't know, but it smells really, really good. It's got like a hint of a tart, and I'm not quite sure why, but it smells fantastic. Does it tell me the notes? Sweet blueberries, brown sugar, graham cracker crust. I mean, I definitely said it, yeah, a blueberry pie, yeah, but there's like a citrusy tart note in there as well, but that I'm picking up, and it's fantastic. The other item that did not make it to the video was I had 2 hand soaps. I had one for the Merry Cookie scent. This is going in my bathroom, and then I had, of course, you have to have winter candy apple. Well, it's red. My kitchen is red. Ran out of soap in there, so it got put on the sink, so it's already in use. So we had 2 soaps. Yay. All right, and then, y'all, they did the $5.95 single wick candles. And I actually am very proud of myself. I only got 6. I had restraint, and I only got 6. So we are going to start here. First, actually, we're not starting, first of all. I'm a mess. Sorry. We're not even starting. But before we start on the candles, another item that did not make it was the Ocean, the like 3-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, body wash for men. My husband loves it, and he was out, so picked that up. He obviously took it because he needed to wash. All right, and then we have got, and I got 2 of these, so only 1 has made it, and then that's it. So they're actually 4 items. And this is one of the single wick. The rest of the items are single wick candles, but this is winter candy apple. Oh my goodness, winter candy apple is just like a staple signature scent you've got to have in the holiday season, in my opinion. Okay, and then I had never seen this one before, and it smells so good. It is Frosted Coconut Snowball. And I mean, you definitely smell the coconut, but it's just almost manly at the same time. Let's see, does it tell us on the little ones? Is that the ones that don't tell us? Yeah, I think these were the ones that don't tell us the notes. All I know is it smells so good. All right. Then I got Slay All Day, which again is another this is the Merry Cookie. It's just in this, but you can see right down there it says Merry Cookie. That'll go in my bedroom. This I actually had during the fall, towards the end of fall. Loved it. I have room sprays of this because it just smells literally like Christmas in a jar. And it's spiced apple toddy. Y'all, I mean I'm not really a big fan of anything that smells pine or like trees, like the Christmas trees. This, I think, has a little bit of that, but it has so much else going on that it just makes this one amazing scent. Like I said, to me, that is Christmas in a jar or in a spray. Because like I said, I've got probably four or five of the room sprays, and I got all of them in that scent because they smell fantastic. All right, and our last candle, this was actually for my husband, is the Mahogany Teakwood, the High Intensity. Mahogany Teakwood smells fantastic originally, but the High Intensity smells even better, obviously. I got him a 3-wick of this scent one time, and he likes to play the Xbox or whatever with his friends, and they talk to each other and all that stuff, and he literally light his candle, and I was about to smell it without the, and this is such a manly scent, so it's funny to see him sitting there playing his video game and have a candle burning and talking to his friends. It just, I don't know. But had to get him one of those. So that was my little haul part. Let's get to the advent calendar. So it's the Gingham at 12 Days of Gingham by Bath & Body Works. So we'll take the ribbon off. And when you open it, this is what we see. Oh my goodness, y'all, I'm so excited. I know y'all probably aren't used to hearing me talk like that, but I'm so excited. Bath & Body Works and an advent. All right. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to get started here. And let's go with number 1. I do like the scent gingham, so that was a plus. This is trying to be difficult. It's very well made, I can tell you that. Okay, they make this very well. It was actually quite hard to get that out. But it is the Gingham hand sanitizer pocket back. Always use this. All right, okay. And number 2. Oh, well, that was a lot easier. Oh. It is a little gingham clip for our hand sanitizer. Love it. All right, number 3. Where are you at, number 3? Oh, number 3 is right here. He's a little bear. Right there. Make this difficult, y'all. Oh, yay. So we got a gingham wallflower refill. Awesome. Obviously, I know everything is gingham. And I know most what is this? Bath & Body Works products, but it's just fun to see it. And so we have number 4 right here. Oh, now hold on, I didn't expect this. Oh, we got a pretty light, like night light to go with that. I'll be putting this in my hallway. That is beautiful. Oh, I didn't expect that. Okay, so number 5 is right here. I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. That's something fall. And this is their gingham perfume spray. I'm actually very, very excited about this. I'm very surprised that is in here. If I did not say, this was $85. Okay, and then number 6 is right over here. Hold on, I'm not familiar with this. Let's see. Oh, it's a solid perfume. I've actually never seen that. Okay. And number 7, glad there's only 12 days in this calendar, because in this advent calendar, because it's very, very, very well made, like I've said, and it's not the easiest to get into. Down if I can get into it. We got a room spray. I did not expect this. I did not expect this. So this has got some surprises in it. Woo! Okay, I'm just so excited. Number 8 is over here. All right, so some of these I may have to, I want to show you guys as I open it. But some I don't think I can do that with. Some are giving me a little bit more trouble than others. All right, so I got that out. And number 8 is the shower gel, the travel size. I was like, when are we gonna like start getting into like the body care items? I think we might be getting in there now. All right, so let's see if we can get number 9 together. I don't think so. Okay, after a little bit of struggle, I was able to get this out, and this is the like deluxe travel size like body mist. This will go in my car. I like keeping something like this in my car. All right, and number 10 is over here. See, I think the ones on this side seem to come out easier. So here we have the hand cream. All right, number 11. Okay, so I got number 11 out, and it is the 24-hour moisture body cream in the deluxe travel size. So y'all, we are down to our last one, number 12, and it says for you. Y'all see how that thing just hit me? All right. Didn't I just say this side was easier? That's what I get for saying something. It's a single wick candle, y'all. Oh. It smells, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So, okay. Aside from struggling with the actual advent calendar itself, I would have to say that this had a wonderful variety of products. So, I mean, we got a hand cream, a body cream, a shower gel, a body spray. We got a perfume stick. We got the room spray. We have the hand sanitizer. We have the little hand sanitizer clip, the plug-in, and the actual like oil plug part, and the candle. I love this. I think this was absolutely hands down not just an amazing advent calendar period. I want to say I think this is my favorite advent calendar. I think it was just absolutely amazing. Some of the products I'm really surprised that we received. I mean, you know, the room spray threw me off. This threw me off. Getting the candle threw me off. I honestly expected a little bit more of the like body care. And I'm actually pleasantly surprised with the great assortment of products. So let me know what you thought down below. Did you pick this up? Are you going to pick it up now that you know? Because like I said, I didn't know it was available till just recently and I ordered it. What did you think of my little mini candle haul with the soap and then obviously my husband's body wash? Just what'd you think of the video? I love hearing from you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. A special thank you to my channel members. Your support means so very much to me. And guys, just being here and watching the video is support and I appreciate it more than you know. I hope you all have a fantastic day and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.